my dear students, Beacon High School. Are you aware? We are about to enter festive seasons. What's your plan now? As you all know, this month we are celebrating Raksha Bandhan. It is an Indian festival which is celebrated between brother and sisters. On this day, sister wrapped a rakhi around her brother's wrist. Have you made rakhi yet? If not, come on, I will teach you. Material required: colorful crepe papers you can take, tinted paper of any color, cotton thread, Fevicol, scissors, thread, one round shape object or bangle you can take to draw a circle, one button, then beads if you have, and a needle. Take a long strip of a white paper and then fold it. Make a small fold at least of this size. In this way you can make a fold of a white paper first, and then with the help of bangle we are going to make a circle on this one. Draw a circle with a pen or pencil. You can draw the circle in this way, and with the help of scissors we are going to cut that circle. So first, slowly, while using scissors, be careful that you have to handle the scissor very carefully. At least 5 to 6 circles we need for make a flower of rakhi. So first cut this circle slowly and neatly. Then after cutting this circle, we are going to take half the papers from this one. Half means at least 4 to 5 papers are there inside. Then we are going to give a fold for this in the center, and then again one more fold, and we are going to make a small triangle like this. Then after that we are going to cut the strips like this. Don't cut it till here. We are going to cut the strips in this way. More than half we are going to cut in this way. We will cut the strips and then slowly open it. Carefully open it. It should be open in the center only. If it is not opening, please make it straight so it will open. In this way, first base we have made for the rakhi. Now again the same way, in the same way we are going to take a pink color paper. Just again we have folded that one. With the help of bangle we are going to make a circle on this one with the pencil. The circle size will be the same this way, and again cut this circle. Now see, the pink circles are ready. Now just again we will give the same fold for this one, and the same way we will cut the strips of this also, so that you can keep on the white which we have already cut it and kept. On that one we are going to arrange this pink, so your rakhi will be looking colorful. Again open it slowly, carefully, and we are going to arrange this one on white part. Okay. After this one you can take one more color, and we are going to make a flower of this one. Take blue color, or if any other color you are taking, no problem, and we are going to make a small circle on this one. The size of the circle will be smaller than the this size. So with the help of pencil I am marking here the circle. Again I am telling the blue size will be the smaller one, Then with the help of scissor we are going to cut it. Now our blue circles are ready. Again the same way we are going to fold. Same way. And then we are going to cut the strips. This way we will cut the strips. While cutting, please be careful. This way. Now what you are going to do is that just open it, and then you are going to squeeze this one. Just bring it together and hold the corner of this one. Now as you hold the corner of this, you are going to tie a thread here. So how to tie a thread I will teach you. Just take a corner of a thread of any color. Now I am having white here, I am using white here, and just make a roll. And then how to put a knot for this one I will teach you. Just hold this one in this 3 fingers, take a turn 2-3 times in this way and put this one inside here. Got it all of you? And then just pull this one. So automatically this rope will be tied. And then cut with the scissor. And then open it. Just you can blow on this one so that it will be opened easily. Slowly, don't press that petals of the flower. Just you can give a blow on that one so it will be opened easily. In this way we will open it, and after that one what you are going to do is that this is the cotton thread we are going to use to tie the Rakhi. Then take the measurement how much big you want first only and cut it and keep it ready. Then after that one what we are going to do is that these 2 layers, one is of white, one is of pink, and in the center this blue will come. Keep it in the center. See that? Afterwards you can make it clear, this petals of the flower. You can arrange them neatly how you want after completing our full Rakhi. And after that one what you are going to do is take a button, a shirt button, and you are going to arrange in the center. Now as you arrange in the center, take a needle and thread of any color thread you can use here. Just we are going to tie this one. So from downside we will pick it up, and from the downside we will come from the center. This will be the center. First put the needle inside here in this way in the center part. Slowly you, while using needle, please be careful. In the center it will come. We have to put that needle in the center. If it is impossible to you, please take help of your parents. Then as the needle comes out, you are going to put the button inside here. Downside the thread, you are not going to completely pull the thread. You are going to keep it down only, and then pull this needle, and again opposite direction downside we are going to put it here. Now turn the Rakhi backside. You can see here the thread we have done. Now you can cut this one. You can remove the needle from the thread. After that one, take the cotton thread which we are going to tie. You are going to keep it on this one. See the center of the thread, and then just put a knot for this thread which we have used for the Rakhi. Just tie it. There is no need of sticking With the Fevicol, you're going to tie it neatly. Just put 2-3 knots for that one, so it will be in this way, and cut the extra thread in this way. Now you can see that your Rakhi is completed. In this way you can make more colorful Rakhis, and as your sister ties Rakhi to you, you can dedicate this beautiful song for her. फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है, फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है. God bless you all. Thank you. Enjoy the Raksha Bandhan.